Hello, I'm here today at 3182 Overdale Street in Deltona. 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, plus a large garage conversion. Perfect for a in-law suite or anything like that. Extended family. Who knows what you could do with it. You see it's a large corner lot. Beautiful day in sunny Florida here. Let's go take a look inside. Brand new roof, well, new in 2024. And just a gorgeous home. Nicely landscaped, got some azaleas and some hollies by the front door. Inside you'll see the large living area, separates the split floor plan. Okay. Just kind of show you the dining area. Then I'll spin to the kitchen, back to the main living area. Kitchen includes all appliances. Washer and dryer also stay. Let's go take a look at the primary suite. Primary suite is very large, has a walk-in closet. And tub shower combo in the private bath. Nothing fancy, but certainly stable, certainly a nice home, clean. Kitchen does have a pantry, I forgot to mention that. Let's take a look at the guest bath right here by bedroom number 2. Tub shower combo as well. This is that second bedroom. Second bedroom has a large closet in it. Sorry the lighting, I don't have all the lights on here, but plenty of good lighting in here. Now we're going to head around to the laundry room. Washer and dryer do stay. Hot water heater is up to date. Utility sink. And let's head over to the conversion area here. See, it's very large, well lit. They have an AC unit just because they have somebody that stays here, or somebody that comes and stays with her, and they wanted it nice and extra cool in here, so she put it in. But gorgeous home. So now there's a door right here that heads out. So if that person wanted to stay in this room, it's easy for them to have their own private access. And they could have a locked door as well. We're going to go take a look now at there's the primary suite again. We'll go look at this back room before we look at the screened-in porch. Wood-burning fireplace. I don't recall actually if she's burning wood in it. I'll have to check on that. But there's a fireplace here, and really nice room here. Plenty of space in this home. Large screen porch. It's a beautiful day here in Florida. Concrete block stucco home. And see, the yard is fenced. Shed stays with the home. I'll kind of head back and show you all of it here. See, it's not fenced on that one side, but that could easily be done. Okay, thanks for watching.